Good. Hello, welcome to December 2023. Today I have a cargo plane. This is the cargo plane. Let's take a tour of the plane. What is this plane? This is a military cargo plane. This is a C-5 Galaxy, the plane that is based on right now. It's the biggest military plane. It has opening doors, weapons. It's powerful, 4 engines on each side. Here's the wheels. And here we are. Here are the engines. Let's look at the sides. Here it is. I bought this on Amazon earlier. A cargo plane. Here's the tour of the plane. All right. That's the engines, missiles, guns. It's the biggest plane with weapons. Military C-5 Galaxy. This is an awesome plane. So let's open the nose and see what cars we have. Okay, here it is. Here's the inside. It has a ramp. This is the detailed cargo bay interior. C-5 Galaxy. The nose is upward. And here you have a ramp. A ramp that will be inside. Here it is. We're gonna load the cargo. First, I'm gonna put some cars inside. Which car will fit? Here's the car. Disney 100th anniversary at Target. This is the special vehicle. Disney 100th anniversary. There is. This is the celebration of 100th anniversary of Disney. There they are. This is the awesome Hot Wheels car. It's blue and silver. 100th anniversary Disney. That's a nice van. Alright, let's drive the van on the ramp. I think. Next car. Ford F-150 Raptor. This is the newest model. A 3rd generation Raptor. This truck looks so awesome. High performance pickup truck. F-150 Raptor at Walmart. This is my favorite truck. F-150 Raptor. Alright, let's drive the car on the ramp. Alright. Now I'm going to close the ramp and see. Alright. Close the ramp. There. Now, the plane is heavy. Okay. Here we are. It has more features like this. Like machine guns on the wings. There it is. The cargo plane. This is an awesome large plane. Okay. And by the way, here's the back view of the cargo plane. This is a military cargo plane. Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. The fuselage. design. Here we are. Oh, guess what? We have some. You see that? That's the rear of the cargo bay. There's a car inside and closed. Alright. Let's fly. Alright, here we are. Let's open up and see what can we have inside. Okay, here it is. Let's open the nose and get the cargo out. There's 3 cars. Here it is, the opening position of the cargo plane. With its nose down, it has a ramp right here. Here's the view, and here's the inside of the plane. Here's the ramp. Yep, here's the view of the plane fuselage. Yep. Okay. Here we are. Okay. It's the cargo plane. Here it is. That's the plane that I made earlier. This time it has opening doors on both sides. Cargo plane. Bye-bye.